Just let her play. They have to meet. They have to meet each other.
And that's why we serve breakfast all day, every day.
They're making a plan to fight.
Now she ain't doing nothing.
Next
She's doing her sneak attack. Watch out.
I'll take the
Look,
light.
she's got a sneak attack. Oh, she's biting.
I'll take the light when you take
Get
the
her.
dark one, Lexi.
Yeah, get her away from the wire. Which I can find
We're
some.
fighting the lion.
And then pull your pants up. Look at her. She's playing again, Shy. Shy? Okay, don't worry about it. She'll run. You don't even have to worry about it. She's afraid of him. You just have to get used to each other. Grady, be nice to Lexi. Be nice, Grady.
Be nice.
Grady, be nice to
Oh,
Lexi.
don't even think about getting close.
Grady's the protector. And Chandler in the background.
Children like, oh,
Is she biting on my carpet? Lexi just wants me to jack her up. That's what Lexi wants out of life.
the carpet.
She wants me to jack her up.
Lexi.
Grady, no, you ain't trying to chase the dog.
I know you ain't getting closer to the dog. Trailer doesn't care. He's like, what? I like it. Oh, God.
Ooh, ooh.
You went too close.
Did Grady get her?
No. I'm ready.
Yeah, you be ready. Don't let them get that close to each other like that yet. This is just really a first
They're getting close to her.
out of the cage meeting. They've only met when the birds are in the cage. It's alright, Grady. You got your feathers all puffed up and ruffled up. You gotta be nice.
They're both
I'm gonna
scared
have
of
to
each
hold
other.
you and talk to you about it, Grady.
They're all
That's Lexi. She's gonna be living here.
they're all gonna be scared. They're all